In a work session in Salem Tuesday.
Senator Gelser-Bluen.
Aye.
Senator Lipscomb.
No.
Senator Manning.
Vote aye.
Vice Chair Thatcher.
No.
Chair Przonski.
Przonski votes aye.
Lawmakers passed a gun control bill out of committee, 3-2.
Motion carries. The bill is on its way as amended.
Senate Bill 348 mirrors and expands on Measure 114, raising the age to purchase a firearm, banning high-capacity magazines, and establishing a permit-to-purchase system. But it includes changes to make that system more feasible, according to Norman Williams, a law professor at Willamette University.
By delaying the effective date for the bill until such time that the state police can stand up the permitting requirement and the training programs that gun purchasers will require.
There's another provision added late last week, limiting any state legal challenges to Marion County Circuit Court.
Marion County judges have a great deal of experience with hearing lawsuits that challenge state action.
Williams says this isn't unusual.
The bill sponsors obviously believe that the gun rights supporters who brought the Harney County litigation had engaged in forum shopping, that they found a judge in a particular county that was going to be sympathetic to their lawsuit. I do think, though, that the selection of Marion County makes perfect sense precisely because it is the state capital.
While it would not affect the ongoing Second Amendment challenge in federal court, Williams explains the bill's passage would impact what's happening in eastern Oregon.
Technically repeals Measure 114, thereby mooting the Harney County case. Therefore, a renewed challenge to this measure under the Oregon Constitution's right to bear arms provision would have to be brought in Marion County. And so the Harney County litigation, if this bill passes, is basically at an end.
Regardless, Williams says the highest court in the state will have the final word.
At the end of the day, again, it's going to be the Oregon Supreme Court that decides this, whether the appeal comes from the Harney County Court or from a Marion County Court.
Even with the amendment to limit legal challenges, Williams still expects there to be some. He told me two parts of this bill that would likely be challenged are the increased waiting period for gun transfers and the higher permit fee. David?
A really interesting update there that if this passes, the other case is essentially gone because this would repeal the measure. Thank you, Alma. You're